Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, like in our last tutorial, we had discussed about setting, getting and update, deleting the default values for package.json file. Today, we will look into dependencies installation by using NPM. So there are two types of installation by using NPM. One of them is global installation and one of them is local installation. So today we will look into local installation. In local installation, again, we can install dependencies in two different ways. One dependency we can install for whole project for the development phase and for the production phase as well. And there are some dependencies that we can tell to compiler, hey, don't install them for the production phase. I need this dependency for my development phase only. Let's move ahead and try it out. As you can see our package.json file here, there is no dependency or anything. Let's move forward and try to install one very pretty basic and simple dependency by using npm install movement. As you guys see that this give me an access error. Why? Because my pc it's need always permissions to install anything. In normal pieces it will not happen. If you will go npm install movement, it will work, but my pc always need permission, so I'll give him by using my password permission. So let's see, it's installed. Pretty basic, pretty simple, pretty easy. See dependencies moment and it's created. This is what we are talking about in our last tutorial, like the package.json file. So you keep that complete record for all the dependencies installed along with their version. And let's you, as you guys can see, like there is another folder created, node module. You will see this moment folder inside it. So this is how you can install any dependency for production and test environment, both development and production, both environments. Let's move forward and install one dependency for development mode only. Sudo npm install. We will use the same command, and I can say install for me nodemon. Nodemon is the dependency that is normally used for uh, development, and I can say I can pass the flag minus minus save minus dev. This flag will tell to the node that hey, install this dependency, but not for the full project, only for development phase. And you guys can see I will hit enter and I will see it here now. Yeah, see, as you guys see, there is another entry in our package.json file, dev dependencies with nodemon and version and everything is there. And if I can come into my node modules and I can see a lot of a lot of folders are there, and one of them will be nodemon as well, and all these are related to nodemon as well. So this is pretty simple, pretty easy how to install dependency for development, how to install dependency for full project. I hope you guys over like video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.